Discover the numerous benefits of 316L wire, a versatile material widely used in jewelry making. Crafted from 316L grade stainless steel, this wire boasts superior strength retention over Type 304 wire. Its outstanding weldability allows for seamless integration into various jewelry projects. Resistant to corrosion and chlorine, 316L wire is sturdy and highly adaptable, making it easy to fabricate for your specific needs. One of the key advantages is its exceptional appearance. With a platinum-like finish, it exudes quality and elegance, perfect for high-end jewelry pieces. Stainless steel, especially 316L wire, is renowned for its durability and resistance to rust, making it ideal for challenging environments. Additionally, its easy-to-clean nature is highly valued in settings where hygiene is paramount. When it comes to flexibility, dead soft wire is ideal. Its remarkable malleability makes it perfect for manual bending and shaping intricate jewelry. This wire allows for creative freedom and easy manipulation with simple pliers, while its corrosion resistance ensures your creations remain beautiful and durable over time.